Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite baby girl, Nazom. Nazom baby, Nazom darling, a beauty like Nazom. So guys, on this particular video, we are talking about romantic names for your women, for your wives and the women, you know, you wanna call or you wanna make them to feel important. Okay, so I will say the names, then I will also explain them in Igbo language because this is an Igbo class. I will explain the meaning in English language, all right? Because all the names are in Igbo, because these are romantic names that Igbo people have and they explore. So when you watch this video, you'll be able to know the names, the one that you love so much, and the one that you think that you can be able to use that is suitable for you, all right? So please quickly hit the subscribe button and continue with this video, all right?
I know what I'm supposed to do when you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know I know what I'm supposed to do.
So without much ado, one of the names I will call, I have a lot of names, so be ready to have a lot of names you explore, okay, for your loved ones. So another name, one of the name, yeah, I'm not calling anyone, yeah, one of the name or Igbo women, one of the romantic names for Igbo woman is called Omoma Saro. What Omoma Saro simply means that you are just bathing for nothing. All right, you shouldn't even be bathing because you are so beautiful. Everything you need is complete. So stop bathing. Stop doing a lot of things you think you can do to enhance your beauty. You are a beauty. So that's what it means by Omoma Saro. Okay. So another name, another romantic name you can call your woman is called Omale Chanwa. All right. So if you want to personalize it, you say Omale Chanwam. That's my beautiful, my pretty baby girl. My pretty baby girl. That is what we mean by Omale Chanwa. Omale Chanwa. Okay. Yeah, I think this name originated from the Anambarians, if I'm not mistaken, because of the way they pronounce it, Omalecha. But it's a normal English logo, Omalecha. So whichever one, I know a number of people use it so well, but whichever one, okay, whether it's from a number or from anywhere, it is called Omalecha. And it simply means what I just said. My beautiful baby girl. Beautiful baby girl, whether it's a woman, whether it's a mature woman, whether it's a mother, whether it's a wife, anything, Omalecha. Okay, so that is what it means. Okay, so another name, another romantic name for for women in Igbo language is called Enenebe Ejolo. That is, I'm trying to tell her that she is. When you see her, you feel like you don't need to go anywhere. You have to stick with her. You have to stay with her for the whole day. That when you keep on looking at her face, keep on looking at her, her beauty, everything that she's so endowed and she has touched your heart in a way that you feel like you shouldn't go anywhere, but you have to go. So that's what I mean by Enenebe Ejolo. Okay. So another romantic names you can call your woman is Asampetenwa, Asamwam. Hmm? These two things are the same thing, okay? But whichever one you choose Asampetenwa or you choose Asamwam, all of them means simply means the same thing. And what does it mean? You are my beauty, a beauty to behold. Asamwam, a beauty to behold, a beauty that is very glaring to the eyes to see. Okay, so that is what I mean by Asampetenwa, Asamwam. All right, guys. So another name, another romantic names for Igbo women is called Odiukonamba. Odiukonamba. See what this one simply means. You're trying to tell her that she is very rare to find. That she's a woman that is very rare to find in the whole world. Meaning Odiukonamba. So you can say Odiukonamba one or Odiukonamba. Whichever one you are telling her, it simply means from the depth of your heart, you see that you have been seeing a lot of women, but she herself is so priceless that she's very rare to be found or to be seen in the whole world. All right, okay, guys. So another romantic name to call your woman is called Woma, Womam, Somma. So which of these three you call the simply means the same thing? Summer, yeah, summer, and she's so beautiful, summer, and warmer, and warmer, warmer. So whichever one you call your woman, what it simply means is that she's still beauty, like she's beauty, very beautiful, and she is very dear to your heart. Warmer, warmer, that's it. So another romantic name you can call I call for women in Igbo language is called Udara Mecham. This one, eh? Oh, many of you know what Udara is. If you don't know, I think it's that apple. That's the English name. I think I know, but you can just browse it. Udara. They will bring they will bring the full name for you. But what it means, Udara. Everybody knows Udara now. Some people have different ways of calling it. In the part of this country or in Africa. But I think Udara is one of the popular fruits that you should know about Igbo people, and what this particular phrase means when they say udara mecham means that you are my sweet udara, but means that you are very sweet, you're very sweet, and the way I lick udara, I love udara, and that's the same way you are. You're so sweet. Udara mecham meaning you are so sweet. You're so sweet. Romantic names for women in Igbo language is called akwanwam. Egg, how you carry egg. Say you are akwanwam means that you are like an egg to me, that I pamper you. I don't allow you to break or even get cracked. So akwanwam, yes. So another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called otonwa. Yes, otonwa means sweet, sweet baby. You are a sweet baby when you look at you like this. Ah, otonwa, a sweet baby. Okay. So another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called akugo. Hey, the same egg. Oh, it's the same egg they're talking about. Akugo. That's the egg, and the egg of an eaglet. Ego is so precious. Ugo means Ugo simply means the ego. So ego is so precious and it's used to depict good things. So when they say Ugo, say then I say aqua Ugo. I mean the egg of an eaglet, meaning you are so precious and you are still be pampered. You must still be pampered by me, Akugum. That's what it simply means. Okay, guys. Another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Onye Nkem, my own person. What it means is my own person. You are my own person now. You are own personal person. My only person. So Onye Nkem. Nkem means my own personal person. Onye Nkem. So another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Achalugo. Achalugo. Achalugo means something that is very, you know, I think is a kind of something that is very, very sharp. Achala Ugo, a very sharp. Like when they want to say you are very sharp, they say you are chalugo. Chalugo means that you are very sharp ego. Okay, you're very sharp, you are smart. Achalugo. Achalugo. That is it, guys. Guys, another romantic names for women in Igbo language is called Mwam, my baby. When they say Mwam, why? You might think they're talking about their child or they have already married and given birth. They're talking about their wife, their women. And they say, mwam, mwam, mwam. Means that you're my baby girl for life. All right, guys. So, another romantic names for women in Igbo language is called Sekem Sekem. These ones are very useful. Women who are very that love shakara enough. So they walk and they do catwalking. So you can call them second. That means she walks in a way that pleases your heart. She makes everything looks very sexy and sweet. So second, like the way she appears, she's very elegant in appearance, and we love that. You can call her second. Yes, guys. Another romantic names for women in Igbo language is called ugebem. Ugebem. Ugebem means mirror. So you're trying to tell her that she is your mirror. Your mirror. Okay? It's also a romantic name for women in Igbo language. Another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Echeta Amulia. Echeta Amulia. What does it mean by Echeta Amulia? Amulia means you smile. Meaning that Echeta means when you remember. If I remember you, I smile. Meaning that whenever he remembers you, he smiles. Whenever you remember her, you smile. That's what Echeta Amulia. Maybe if your name is like Emeka, you can just want to tell her Echeta Amulia Emeka, meaning that Emeka's remember and smile. Oh my god, this is so funny, but that is it. That's romantic names for women in Igbo language. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you're enjoying this, so kindly give it a thumbs up, like and share this video, okay? And continue watching this video right now. Oh my god, yes, that's funny, but that's a romantic name for women in Igbo language. Another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Munyim. Yes, this word is a kind of, it's not like that word, but is a kind of some people's desire to be called Munyim. All right, you can give this to your wife, your beloved wife, and I think some women are peculiar with it, and it gives them joy when their husband and hubby call them Wunyim. So Wunyim simply means my wife. All right, my beloved wife. That is what Wunyim. Then they want to put it in a way that will be more romantic. Let it not be that casual. You can say Ezigbo Wunyim. Ezigbo Wunyim means my beloved wife. Okay, that's what it simply means, and it's one of the romantic name for women in Igbo language. Okay, guys. So women, another romantic names for women in Igbo language is called Olamma. Olamma. Ola is something that bracelet that you wear in your hand to adorn your beauty as a woman, probably as a man. So when you now say Olamma, means that a ring or a bracelet that is so beautiful, meaning that she is your Ola, she's your bracelet, and she's so beautiful, and you are happy with her. Olamma. You can see you want to personalize it, it's Olamma. All right. So that is what it means in Igbo language. All right, guys. Another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Ogolu, Ogoli Marobidia. Ogoli Marobidia. It means that a woman that knows the heart of the husband. Ogoli Mara Obidia. So it's a romantic name. A romantic name for women in Igbo language. Most times, I think people that use it is backdated. I must say it's very backdated, but up till now, some people might not see it as backdated because actually it's still the romantic name that probably husbands use sometimes for their wife. I think I know so, but it's a kind of backdated to me, but it's still romantic anyways. All right, guys. Another romantic names for women in Igbo language is called Obiomam. It simply means my joy. My joy, saying that this woman is my joy. Obiomam. So, and my joy and happiness, probably, yes. My joy and my happiness is Obiomam. 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 My heart. You know, my heart. My heart full of joy. So, my happiness, my joy. That what it means. So, another romantic name. This one is so funny. You can equally use this when you're toasting, but it's so funny. Okay, it says another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Nwa Gymnol. Yes, Nwa Gymnol, Nwa Gymnol, Nwa Gymnol, baby Gymnol. All right. So when you tell a woman this Nwa Gymnol, it means that baby girl that is holding me in work. No, if you understand, like a woman that takes almost everything about me, that I am so fond of her, that everything I do, I must think about her. Everything I do, I must always involve her. Everything I do, I can't do anything separately without my baby girl. I always carry her along everything I'm doing. So that means that case, she is actually holding you in business. She's in your business. Like she is the center of your business, everything you do. So when you not toast her and when you not tell her, "Nwa Jim Nolo, baby Jim Nolo," means that you're trying to tell her that she is the one, the only person, the only sugar in your tea, the only person that makes you think and think and think and still end up with her. Oh, even if she has one or two things, has one buzzballs and all the rest of that, after everything, you still end up coming and begging, coming back to her, and also making sure you involve her. You carry her along, you put that to everything. So you guys have a meeting point. So you say one gym no. So no matter what, she's still in your business. Yes, that's what it means. It is what it is, guys. Please do not come for me, oh me. I'm just telling you people like you can know. For the information, do not come for me, please. Do not come for me, okay? Do not. I'm begging you, please. Don't come for me. You can come for me in the comment section. Oh God. Another romantic name for Igbo women is Oriakum. Yes, Oriakum. What Oriakum means that you will eat my money. You are the one that is eating my money. You are the one I am building all this word for. Oriakum. That's another way, another romantic name for women in Igbo language. So another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Onye m hụrụ n'anya. The one I love. That is what it means. The one I love. The one I love. So guys, another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Onye m bu n'obi. The one that occupies my heart, the one that stays in my heart. Onye m bu n'obi, the one I love. Or you can say Nwa m bu n'obi, then maybe that is in my heart. Yes, that's another romantic name for women. Guys, another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Oyoyonwa. Oyoyonwa, yes, it means a baby that is um so everything is intact. That's what it means, Oyoyonwa. So another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called Tomato Johnson. Yes, Tomato Johnson. We want to praise the woman and that she's so pretty, she's so fine, she's so yellowish color in complexion, right? Yes, you can say Tomato Johnson. Tomato Joss. This girl is Tomato Joss. But Tomato Joss. Now, this girl is so beautiful and she's very fair. Tomato Johnson. That's what it means. All right, guys. So another romantic name, which I'll call the final one that I have on my list. Another romantic name for women in Igbo language is called. It's not like a romantic name. It's a kind of hyping. It's a kind of a way of cajoling a woman and kind of way of praising a woman. And it goes this way. It's like a phrase. You say, "Ne iburala in on a site." Iburala in on a site means that if you are a land property, you are the land that is at the site where where they sell in billions, where they sell in 30 million, where the amount is so high that if you are a land property, you are at a very good site where is a costly land. That's what it means. Okay, so Nne Iburala in on a site. So that's the final one I have on my list, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, like this video, comment and share this video to anyone you think that you want to share it. Okay, guys, and the guys, okay, you learn new things today. You learn how to call your women romantic names to give your women in Igbo language. All right, guys. So, and I still have to remind you, this is your favorite baby girl, Chinazo Putam, Nazo baby, Nazo darling, a beauty like Nazo. So, guys, here we come to the end of today's video. All right. So I'll have to say I love you guys and keep on subscribing to my channel. All right, because I will keep on giving you guys good content that you will love. And I will have to say see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.